Welcome everyone to the channel Tech in True, and this is the part 3 of the video series Network Analysis and Synthesis. In this session we will be learning a new concept on the basic concepts of network analysis, and in this session we will be learning about network analysis is mesh analysis. Mesh analysis is a simple technique for solving the complex circuit using KCL and KVL. So I will be explaining the KCL and KVL also in this video, and we will be taking a new numerical on the mesh analysis. We will be learning about mesh analysis. Mesh analysis is nothing but simplification of the circuit. Mesh and nodal analysis are two basic important techniques used for finding solutions for a network. The suitability of either of mesh or nodal is to find a particular problem depends mainly on the number of voltage source or the current sources. If a network has a large number of voltage source, it is useful to use a mesh analysis. I will be explaining the mesh analysis by using an example. Now I am taking a circuit in which a resistor 5 ohm is connected to a 10 volt of battery supply, and the 2 ohm resistor is connected like this, and we will take up one more circuit, 2 ohm resistor and a battery of like this. I am taking it as 10 ohm and I am taking it as 50 volt. It is a plus sign, it is negative sign, it is plus, it is negative. You are seeing that the current from 10 volt battery will flow in this path also and in this path also, and the current from 5 volt 50 volt battery will flow in this path also and in this path also. So we will determine the two currents, one in the I1 I will name it, and other in the loop I2. In mesh analysis, we will firstly assume the direction of the current. I am assuming the direction of current like this, that I1 current is flowing in this loop. I am not considering the I2 current, and I am taking I2 current in this loop in the given direction. I will not consider the I1 loop, and at last we will combine both the equations to solve the value of I1 and I2. So by applying KCL or KVL in the mesh analysis, we will have to check the direction of the current. So if I am traveling in this path, so first of all we will account the voltages drop across the resistances. First of all, if I am going from negative to positive, then I will write 10. Now the current will flow from a positive direction to negative direction. So this is positive, this is negative. The current is flowing in this path, yeah. So I will assume this is positive, this is negative. So I am going towards the negative sign. So I will take it as minus 5I1. 5 is V is equal to IR, I into resistance, so it is a voltage drop across 5 ohm resistor. Nextly, the current is going from this to this in this path. See only the loop 1. So minus 2. Now this is the point to be noted, that is I1 minus I2. I am considering that current I1 is going in this direction and current I2 is going in opposite direction. So my priority will be I1, not I2, because I am making the KVL equation for I1. Yeah, so this is equal to 0. We can say that 5I1 plus 2I1 minus I2 is equal to 10. This is my equation 1. Now I will be solving it for loop 2. This will be the resistor 10I2 minus and plus 50 minus 2I2 minus I1. I have given more priority to I2 as I am solving for loop 2. So in short, this will become 10I2 plus 2I2 minus I1 plus 50 is equal to 0. This is our equation number 2. We can rearrange these both equations as we have two variables I1 and I1 and I2. So by rearranging these equations, I got that 7I1 minus 2I2 is equal to 10 and minus 2I1 plus 12I2 is equal to minus 50. This is our equation 1, this is equation 2. We can solve these two equations by any of the method that you like, elimination method, substitution method, or any method you can like, and we will at last we will calculate the values for I1, which will be come to us to is 0.25 ampere, and I2, which is minus 4.125 ampere. So you can infer that I1 current is flowing in loop 1 and I2 current is flowing in loop 2. If you have to find the voltage drop across 5 ohm resistor, simply multiply 5 ohm by 0.25, you will get the voltage drop across 5 ohm. If you want to calculate the voltage drop at 2 ohm, simply 2 into I1 minus I2, you will get the voltage drop at I2. In exams, you may also get the question to find the value of current I1 and I2. You can simply do it by mesh analysis. So it is a very good method for solving the large questions. Here I have taken the example of two meshes. There may be number of meshes may increase like this, a 3 mesh system, or maybe sometimes a 4 mesh system, or even in a large problems there may be a like this type of mesh system. So no need to worry, take the individual currents in the meshes and simply solve the equations for the current. You will get the voltages, you will get the currents, and the question is solved simply. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your patience. Please follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and you are free to give your comments about this video. And if you have any query, please contact on our Facebook page. And at last, again, thanks for watching.